Memphis could be the first city in the South to have troop involvement in crime-fighting efforts. President Donald Trump announced those plans today. And Memphis Mayor Paul Young says while he does not support it, this decision was not his to make. Our Ezekiel Telemaco begins our team coverage with why city and county leaders say Memphis does not need troops on guard.
I think maybe I'll be the first to say it right now again. We're going to Memphis. That's the next city. Deeply troubled.
After weeks of speculation, President Donald Trump has made his plans clear. Memphis is next for his national troop deployment to fight crime. During a news conference Friday, I asked Mayor Young if that statement was accurate.
That was an overstatement. Yeah. I am focused on the resources. FBI, DEA, ATF, those are the things that I believe will truly help us be able to support law enforcement and reduce violent crime.
Young confirmed he does not support the decision to bring the National Guard to Memphis.
They are coming. It's not the mayor's call. The mayor doesn't have a say or the authority to stop them from coming. And so my goal is to make sure that as they come, that I have an opportunity to work with them to strategize on how they engage in this community.
While the city's mayor is clear that he doesn't support this decision, Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris says the biggest problem is that there's not enough information as to what this deployment would actually look like.
We don't know when the National Guard is coming, we don't know what their strength will be, and we don't know where they will be stationed. So we still need a lot more information, but I think we should all be worried.
Mayor Harris also warned what makes this moment historic.
Sadly, we are the first state in the South and the first Republican state to have credible information that we will soon be occupied by federal forces.
Clerk of the General Sessions Court Tammy Sawyer says the county simply isn't equipped to handle a federal occupation.
We as a county don't have the funding. Our jail does not have the space. We don't have the number of employees that we will need to support federal occupation. As my stance as the General Sessions Court clerk is that instead of sending more people here to add to the jail, send us the resources that Shelby County, the blackest county in Tennessee, needs.
Sawyer also pointed out a pattern she finds troubling.
Let's be clear that the 5 cities that have been named for potential occupation, Washington, D.C., which is already occupied, Memphis, Tennessee, Detroit, Chicago, and New York, also somehow happen to be 5 of the highest per capita black populations in this country.
And she criticized President Trump directly.
This isn't a president, this is a person trying to be king, and he is doing that in our city.
Memphis Police Chief C.J. Davis says the department is already in talks about how the National Guard will operate if deployed. She says she believes the MPD will have a big influence.
I believe we will. I've already been in touch with one of their representatives. We plan to meet next week to really sit down and talk. Ideally, we'll have a memorandum of understanding.
So right now, Governor Bill Lee has not given a timeline for when the National Guard could arrive in Memphis. City and county leaders do expect more details in the coming days.
Yes, lots more to come from that. And we're going to keep the community informed as we, of course, learn more.